Hello everyone, Pierre here, Piotr. Guys, so let me switch off notification. Welcome to the Screen Protector YouTube channel. Guys, we're fighting for the right to repair, yes? So here's our TV which need a repair. Now, this TV should be to repair by a customer, but it turns out that customer sold me for 30 quid. It's a 3-year-old Polaroid, and I want to show you first what's wrong with it. So, when I switch it on, or not, okay, sorry, it was on, that's the problem. So you see it's slight Polaroid. I don't know if you were able to see it. Okay, let's disconnect from power. Okay, so you see it's blinking. So in this case it might not be a backlight issue like LEDs, yes? So, you know, not LEDs, this type, yes, or the older one, this type. In this case of the fault, what can be is the backlight driver, okay? And the backlight driver is the module in the power supply which takes the signal from the standby when you press, you know, the power button, okay? And when you press this, the power button, then it sends a signal back through the main board to the power supply, and with an opto isolator, you know, it's an impulse which then feeds the signal to switch on the main power supply and gives the power supply, you know, all the needed stuff that it can be turned on, yes? Now, I know my explanation is great today. But anyways, you know, like, let's try and let's see, is it a power supply or is it a fault of LEDs, okay? I'll open it and I'll be right back. Okay, so what we see here, I took a photo with my phone, and this is the power supply section where it's going out to LEDs, yes? So that's why we see this LED here, plus and LED minus. And that gives us 23 volts when measured in between these two, okay? So red to the white. And I've checked both and I've checked both. We're happy, 23 volts. If we know that we've got those 23 volts, the question is it enough volts or it's not enough volts, okay? But we've seen that, the thing is that I didn't tell you was that the backlight is off and you can see the stuff behind it if you use your torch, you know, like, yes, we're fighting, that's a chop, so, you know, makes sense. So yeah, if we flash it on the screen and the backlight is faulty, you will still see the screen, and you can see the screen here, okay? So if you see the screen, I mean the picture, but it just really dimmed, you know, like a really dark, and you know you've got a voltage here, I can blindly order LEDs for it, yes? So I can put everything back together, and no point to spend more time on it, because if I would now open it, I would make a mess, and this should be a cheap backlight, like I'm talking 20-30 pounds, yes? This area, 20 to 30 pounds. I'd rather order it, you know, and have it for this TV, new one, so hopefully it will last for another 2-3 years, okay? And I will be able to resell with a new backlight, you know. It's better than buying some used TV with, you know, which can have used backlight, yes? So it will be a bargain on the Facebook marketplace if I'll have it, or maybe one customer will ask for a TV who knows, with a new backlight, it's really a bargain, you know, it's like a refurbished TV. Because if the LED, I mean, if the display is working fine, if you've got original remote, all you need for it now is a stand, yes? So stand is cheap. You can buy universal stand for like 15 pounds if you can't get the original one for this one, because I didn't buy it with a stand. I should, if there's no smart feature, I should pay 20 pounds, yes? But I didn't want to go and check, you know, like 10 pounds is not a huge deal. If I'll spend on this TV 50 pounds and I will be able to fix it, for sure I can sell it for more than 50, you know, it's like, no problem. Okay, anyways, it's a 5 minutes 40 seconds video. I won't be showing you how I'm putting screws back together, that would be stupid. But guys, thank you for watching. Thank you to those who did like the video or subscribed. Guys, I'm just short for the minute of the recording. I don't know if maybe one subscriber will go away or something, but for now it's 90 people, so thank you, subscribers. And I'm only short 10 people, so I can change my URL. You know, if I can change my URL of the YouTube channel, that's a success, guys. So thank you for being subscribers, and thank you for watching, guys. If that video helped you, yes, hopefully I deserve one like, and see you in the next video. If possible, let's fix them all.